Good morning. This is what we're doing today. Who could do butter? Potato sticks from Japan, Korea, China? I'm not sure. Feels Japanese to me. So let's open it up because I'm like, why would you want to chip this taste like a baked potato? Smells very, very plain. Oh, hard. Air fried maybe? I don't know. You want to taste it? No. Oh, it's like a stale potato stick. Yeah. Maybe we can get, if you like pretzels, this is the equivalent to that. I mean, they crispy, they crunchy like they promised, but there's no taste. Maybe it's margarine I'm tasting, because that ain't no real butter. But it does give like a baked potato-y vibe. So I guess it hit the spot for someone other than me. Like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye.